How to use Monday.com for construction management. So, hey guys, in this video today, I'm going to tell you the use of construction management software or template here on Monday.com. So, the first thing that we need to do is we need to log into Monday.com. Now, if you own a construction company and you need a workflow where you can coordinate with your team, collaborate with other people, and where you can check and have a complete check and balance about your work pattern, work inflows and outflows, then you don't have to worry at all because Monday.com is the best place to do it. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why. So after logging into your account, you can see I'm redirected to this home page, and there are many boards here that I'm working on. What do we need to do? We need to click here and go with the new board and then start with the template. The beauty of Monday.com is that they have many, many, many templates that you can use. So you don't have to start anything from the scratch here. So let's go with construction roadmap, construction project tracker, construction management. So we're going to go with construction management. And you can see the beauty of this template is that they have many, many things to offer. They're going to take care of each and everything that we have, from the project timelines to each and other infographic is mentioned. And another best thing about this template is that it can, integrate with many, many, many software that we use in our daily life. For example, Google Drive, Dropbox, and Gmail, Google Calendar, Excel, and Zoom. So these are pretty much all the famous softwares that people use in their day-to-day task. And I'm sure that if you work in a construction company, you'll also be using these integrated softwares. So we can click on Use Template and wait for the beauty of Monday.com to happen right in front of your eyes, that it's going to create this template right here for you without even you doing a single thing. Like, you don't even have to press a single key of the keyboard, and it will be done in front of you right there in front of your eyes. So here you go. Okay, we can delete this as this is just a disclaimer. Sure, let's delete it. So this is your uh, construction management project overview, the address and the unit, the address, the project manager. You can also add a project manager to it, assign a project manager, overall unit progress, that how much work has been done and how much there is more to do, the status, it started, uh, on a special hold, do you need permits for anything, or it's not started at all, and is the job complete or not. Permit, there's a special column for permit, the permit for this unit, this unit, this unit. We can just go with working on it, start, plan, the permit is planned or the permit is done. Then there's foundation, start, plan, working on it, drywall. Every niche that is used, every prerequisite that is used in construction, you have it here as a column. Drywall, trenched, framing. Wow. Each and everything is still there right in front of your eyes. Electric, roofing. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. I can say that. So this is the start date, and there's a connection board as well. Okay, amazing. And here are the done units that are completely done, complete 100% done, and they're right here. And we can see the timeline as well of the projects here. This is unit 1, and we're going to have unit 2 as well somewhere here. The dates are pretty long, so let's just not waste our time and move forward. Project overview. So this is the project overview. Wait a second. Yeah, so this is the timeline. You can see how detailed this board is. They also have a map. Wow, this is pretty amazing. So they have this map, so we can see around the map where our projects are going on. Currently, all the projects right now are in California. Amazing, literally amazing. And we can see the workload as well, like how much is the workload going on. So you can see how detailed and informative it is. So this was the project overview. There are project details as well. So these are the details that the more concentrated team can use and can access and analyze. Oh my God, this is, I would say, the most detailed board I've ever seen in my life. Subcontractors, this might be the subcontractors board. Okay, amazing, amazing that this subcontractor is doing this, and this is his address, his phone number, his email, and the log of subcontracting. Okay, and all of this is linked to the project details. All of this subcontractor board is linked to the project details. So we can just see how amazing it is. I'm amazed. So this is how you use project management in monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.